Alright, we're just gonna stop here for now, guys. Okay, I'm tired. Oh, me too. Alright, which one of you jokers made that noise? Was it you, Andy? No. Was it you, Ken? I didn't say anything. Was it you, Felix? No, I didn't say anything at all. Maybe it was Ike. No, he couldn't say anything. Wait a minute. Listen. I'm listening. Chirping. Bird footprints. And they're fresh, too. This could mean only one thing. That there's a bird lurking around here. Yes. But we don't know where it is. Oh boy. Time to go. Quick, in here. How long is the bird gonna be there? No idea. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. The bird, it's gone. Okay, it's gone. We'll just camp out here for tonight. Yeah, good idea. Okay, wait until morning. Yeah.